Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Today is November the 11th. November the 11th on Wednesday. So, y'all, I got a late start. It is not dark. Like the windows are closed, but it's not dark here. It is actually only 5:45. Okay, I'm just now getting home, trying to get settled. Give me something to eat and all that good stuff. But I wanted to bring you guys along for a few things today, and I did look up on something today too. But unfortunately, guys, y'all gonna be mad at me, but I can't bring y'all what I wanted to bring y'all in that back room yet because I need two more things, y'all. I need like I said, if I can find a table like the one I found in the office that had the marble and the wood, that would be perfect, okay? But unfortunately, I can't do that until this Sunday to go back to Crazy Ben's on Sunday, that which is like almost 25 minutes from my house, or I can go, which I am going to go this Friday to Ben Treasures. Treasure Ben's to see if I can find three more rods, four more white curtains at least, and if I can find, like I said, the table that I could use. And then also, y'all, I still need that round mirror. Guys, I went to an area that I was in. I went to, stopped in Marshall's. They had one, a nice one. It was bigger than the one I have here. It's bigger than this one. It's bigger than that one. But they wanted $39. Y'all already know I paid only $29 for this one. It was a tad bigger, and I think like the rim of it, like the frame around it, was a little bit, just a little bit wider. And I started to, then I was like, nah, because I know I probably can get it for less. Y'all know how I am. So yeah. And another thing, well, we'll get to that in a minute because I wanted to show y'all some updates that you could do on your own DIYs and stuff that you could do at home without having to purchase things. So y'all, if y'all want to know what that humming, buzzing noise is, I got the washing machine going and I'm cooking. So I'll show you what I'm getting, what I'm cooking. I have, let's turn that down a little bit. I got my salad made, which I need to put in the fridge. I got a baked potato here that's simmering. So I think I'm going to turn that down a little bit. And I might have me a cup of tea with this because I didn't have tea today. I did have tea today. I didn't have coffee. And I got broccoli on real low until I get ready to eat. But let me show y'all first what I got for the low. Okay, let me show y'all that first. And then I'm going to go into showing y'all how I'm going to repurpose and reuse something that I already have so I don't have to go out and buy anything, and show y'all an update. So this basket here, guys, if you guys remember I kept saying I want a humongous basket to put underneath this stand. And if you're wondering, my stand still looks the same, y'all. I still got about the same stuff on here. I was thinking about putting her in that room over there that I don't want to show y'all yet, but I said I'm just going to wait. But guys, look what I found today from this place called Value World. It's like a Savers or whatever. It was half of this, so it was 408. It was 404. This is humongous, guys. Humongous. I can't even explain how big that is. You can write on this. It has like I don't know if this is leather. It's some kind of board or something, but you can write on here what it is. I'm gonna put write blankets on it. Has two handles, and I am gonna like spray it out and sanitize it really good. The only thing that's wrong with is this. I'm gonna wrap it and put some Gorilla Glue on it. But it has the same thing in the back, and then this thing in the front. So yeah, guys, 404. You can't go wrong with that. So the update I want to show y'all, I'm gonna show y'all two things that you can do in your house without breaking the bank, and just by repurposing things and reusing things. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. If you guys remember, this was a flower pot. This was a flower pot that I sprayed this color. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here on the table, and I decided to not use this on the I'm gonna have to wipe my table off. I know I got this off the floor, but I decided to put these in here. So that is what we're going to do right now. Okay, we're gonna just go ahead on and put those in here. And this, we're gonna put those in here, and I'm just gonna show you guys how that's gonna look because I'm not sure how it's gonna look. I just wanted to try something different because I'm gonna show y'all why I'm doing that. So let's put the smaller things in there first, like so. I think this tag goes under here. I'll end up probably gluing that anyway, because there's a hole in here from it being a flower pot in the first place. So let's put, we're losing some. Let's put all of these in here, the smaller ones first, and all the bits and the pieces, and then we'll put more bigger pieces at the top. And we'll see how that looks. And then I'm going to show you something else, guys, that you can do. It already did with one thing already for the bathroom. And then y'all got that coming to another bathroom tour. So let's put these pieces, because they're bigger, on the top. And then we'll see how that looks. Okay? So I did spray these white, y'all. I think I showed y'all. I sprayed these white. And I think I probably will another time do like a champagne color on some of them. But for right now, they're going to stay like this. I think that's cute like that. Look at that. Vase filler. Let's put this one like that. Now, do y'all see how much, look how much better that looks. This alone is beautiful. So I'm going to keep this like it is, y'all. And I'm going to put this on the dresser when I get one. That's another thing I'm holding out for. For a dresser for the bedroom. So this is going to just stay the way that it is, because it's absolutely beautiful. And then look how this turned out on the table. So, so, so pretty. So, if you guys remember this marker that I bought from Dollar Tree? I'm going to show you something that I did with it. So, give me a moment. I'm going to go ahead and go in the bathroom and go and get it. So, if you guys remember this, I didn't know what I wanted to do with it. So, what I did was I just took this marker and I just colored around the rims of this and put it in the bathroom, and it goes great with the bathroom. So the same thing is, and it's dry too, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm going to do the same thing. Y'all see how I redid this candle? I spray painted it and I added my own little logo thing here. I'm going to be using this pencil to go along the sides of the wood, and then I'm going to write my own, you know, words or whatever on here. So that's what you can do with a marker. One of these metallic gold, I think they had silver too, but I only seen the gold. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know I didn't get a chance to show you guys what it was I wanted to show you. I just gotta wait on those 2 more things, and then I think we'll be where we want to be. Yeah, actually, well, the mirror that can be last, but too, I got that other mirror that me and hubby made at the old house that was in the bedroom, the square mirror leaning up against the wall. I have that on offer up for sale, and someone's supposed to get it because it has bling on it, and I'm trying to get away from the bling. So yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the vase filler. Let me know what you think about using the metallic markers to DIY items, so you don't have to get rid of or throw it away or get tired of them. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.